Imagine. What are your expectations when it comes to professional printing? Wow, that's quite impressive. But first things first, let's start with the very soul of Roland. Quality, professionalism, reliability, ease of use. These have been the key elements of its beating heart for many years now. Printing, cutting, in one fluent workflow, let's put them together. Oh wait, 137? No, let's make it 160, the standard of the future. Easy loading, 1.625 meter media roll on your printer cutter. Ink circulation system, colors, printing resolution, print speed, distance accuracy. Obviously tremendous qualities. We're talking about a Roland, right? How about 4, 6, or 8 color use? CMYK, light cyan, light magenta, white and silver metallic, all in one print. A revolution? You decide. Hang on a minute, what's this? Roland's unique ink circulation system and a completely new print head with intelligent pass control for incredible quality. Time to protect this masterpiece in a powerful body, solid and firm, with a sharp eye for design. Moreover, extremely easy to use. A logical, interactive software, little manual intervention needed, and very limited maintenance. Go on, proceed with your urgent business. You'll be informed when the job is done. Imagine the possibilities. Posters, contour cut signs, labels, banners, vehicle graphics, displays or t-shirts. No boundaries, no limits. Roland presents the VS640. The only missing link is your creativity.